Welcome to Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around an absolute transformation of a sound system that we've carried out on an absolutely stunning Lamborghini Huracan Performante. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. And that, guys, let's get started. Lamborghini Huracan Performante custom sound system. I'm going to be walking you through everything in a bit more detail today, but the best thing you guys can do, drop us a message on Instagram, drop us a message on the link provided below, book an audio consultation with you and I'll sit down with you and design, spec and then install your new Lamborghini sound system. You may be thinking, what an incredible car, why doesn't it come with an awesome sound system? They don't. They're absolutely awful in terms of the systems that they come with. We can change that. If you own one of these, looking for an upgrade, you know exactly what to do. And we're starting you off with the front build. Basically what we've got in the front luggage compartment is a special compartment that we've designed and fabricated completely in-house. What that is to hide all the cable runs, basically giving you to all the amplifiers and processors that are in the front boot. In that, basically we've got a Hertz Mille Power 5 amplifier, which is providing all the power for the system, which absolutely rocks the car. Basically what we've got is a 5-channel amp running tweeters, woofers and a sub, which I'll go through in a little bit. Plus we've got a little processor. The Audison processor allows me to basically plug in, tune the car, customize it to exactly how you want it to sound. It makes a massive difference, especially in these vehicles. So we have got a very tight cabin in terms of sound output, plus it is a convertible, so we've got a balance with road noise. So not only have we got an increase in volume, but we've also got a massive increase in clarity plus bass. So on these systems, this hasn't got the Sentinum system, so it didn't have a sub from factory. So what we've done is replace the tweeter, which basically sits right in the top corner of the dashboard, to allow access or to allow us to install a Hertz Mille Legend Tweeter, which is a larger tweeter than the factory tweeter, into that stock location. We've actually 3D printed, designed, spec'd, and then installed a new housing that houses that Hertz Mille Legend Tweeter. An incredible bit of kit, and it's actually it is the highest spec product that you can fit into stock location on one of these. If you want it to go that one step higher, you can do. We also do a custom A-pillar solution, which we've also done on a Lamborghini Aventador, which the video for that is also on our channel. But that's basically the stock look upgrade for the Lamborghini Huracan Performante. Then in the doors, we've done two things in the doors. We've upgraded the actual speaker. So we've taken out the factory Lamborghini speaker and upgraded that with the Audison Thesis 6.5-inch woofer. That is the best speaker money can buy. It is an incredible woofer, and that's gone into stock location behind the factory grille. One of the other key things that we've done inside these doors is soundproofing. Basically, it's acoustic soundproofing, which means that it's a 3mm layer, which is from Skins, which is actually the product. Basically, we've got this outer layer, central layer, which actually houses the speaker, and then we've got the back of the door card. So that's all been acoustically treated, so you get no more rattles, and also what it does is it reduces your road noise, but still allows that engine noise to come through, which obviously is one of the reasons why you've bought the car. And also it builds a better acoustic environment for the new Audison system to play in. So that's basically all the sound treatment that's been done indoors, plus also the upgrade that we've carried out in terms of door speakers. One of the best things that we've done on this system, which makes a massive difference, is the Audison Prima 8-inch sub. You might be thinking an 8-inch sub, we can't do that much. On this system, it absolutely rocks. It's a perfect solution for this vehicle. Obviously, you haven't got much room in the vehicle, so we've taken up a very little bit of foot room on the passenger side, however, still left access for your feet to sit in perfectly on the right-hand side and sub sort of an angle on the left-hand side. However, you can still rest your feet against that because it's got the grille protecting it. So massive amount of bass increase coming from down in that footwell. Plus you've got the Audison Thesis woofers that play incredibly low as well. Now you've got loads more power coming from that Hertz Mille Power 5 amplifier. Plus you've got a little controller which allows us to tune the system, and you can change volume and sub-level control for when you maybe don't want as much bass. You can turn that down directly from that little controller that we've mounted into the sort of left-hand side where your sort of left leg sits from driver's view. So There's loads of stuff that goes on these Huracan systems. We do plenty of them. I'm actually doing this video right now, and right next to me I've got another Lamborghini Huracan Performante right next to me. So feel free to get in touch. We do these day in, day out. If you're interested in something like this, make sure you get in touch. But book an audio consultation. I'll sit down and go through everything with you. I hope that you've enjoyed the video. You've seen the system that we've installed on this Lamborghini Huracan Performante. If you wanted this system in your vehicle, you know exactly what to do. Drop us a line below. All of our details will be there. But thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.